If you're doing online arbitrage, this little Chrome extension is going to quietly save you a ton of money. It's called Honey, and it works in the background while you're sourcing products from places like Target, iHerb, or wherever. So check this out. I'm shopping for a product I'm flipping, add it to cart, and right here at checkout, I hit the little honey icon, and it starts testing all the coupon codes floating around the internet. In this case, it just saved me like $4. That's instant profit added back in my margin. I didn't have to search for anything manually. And here's the cool part. Honey also gives you cash back in the form of gift cards. They call it Honey Gold. You could stack up over $700 just by buying stuff and flip them on Amazon. Now, if you really want to turn this into a serious income stream, check out the Online Arbitrage Challenge. It's a 14-day program that helped me go from coupon saver to a full-blown reseller. Just use the link in the description below, sign up. It's 100% worth it if you're serious about online income. And that's it. Go save that money and stack those wins.